quick procedure on how to start the engine on a scooter. That's obviously the ignition. First step that I always do is check to make sure that the engine cutoff switch is fully in, because that's how you stop the engine, and sometimes it doesn't actually go right through back to the end. So without it actually being flush against there, it's not going to start. So that's the first step that I usually do. Then going over to the ignition, turn the switch or the key. Got to warm up the cylinders by just pushing that little pin up for warming the cylinders. I'm going to do that for about at least 15 seconds while the alarm is going off. So I'm just pushing it up like that. So this is not 15 seconds, but I'm going to try and push the starter button. I can leave that, and now while I'm pushing the starter button, let's do this with one hand. Push the starter button and actually move this lever. It needs to be done simultaneously. Let's see if this works. Okay, seems to do the trick. Engine is running. That's totally down. You can bring it up to about 15% for a little while until it's running smoothly. And then what I usually do is I just bring it down to idle speed and let it warm up. Let it warm up for 5 minutes before you do anything, taking it out or any serious motoring. A quick procedure on how to cut the engine. Never just turn this key and cut the engine like that. You can, but it's going to damage the alternator, so you don't want to do that. First step is to actually pull the engine cut switch right there. See that? Make sure you push it back in again. You hear the alarm going off, and now you can turn the key and remove it.